Hello, I'm going to be talking about the Girl Scout Cookie Booth Search campaign. First, I'm going to start with why Girl Scouts do what they do. Buying Girl Scout cookies goes to help to power new, unique, and amazing experiences for girls. All of the net revenue raised to the Girl Scout Cookie program, 100% of it, stays with local council and troops. Other money earned may go to fund a project that will improve their community, or they may donate the money to a worthy cause. To the right, you can see how Girl Scouts has helped to empower girls to be leaders. 90% of all female U.S. astronauts were Girl Scouts, 80% of all female tech leaders were Girl Scouts, 70% of all female U.S. senators were Girl Scouts, and 100% of female U.S. secretaries of state were Girl Scouts. So I'm going to talk a little bit about the Cookie Booth Search campaign. The goal of this campaign in 2015 was to make it easier for interested consumers to be able to locate Girl Scout cookies to buy cookies from during the anticipated season. The social media team wanted to drive cookie booth searches on girlscouts.org and boost downloads on the new Girl Scout Cookie Finder mobile app. To reach the right audience for the campaign, they targeted their ads based on gender, age, interests, keywords, location, and mobile devices. So I'm going to talk about how Twitter helped them to do this campaign. The Girl Scouts purchased an app card allowing Twitter users to download and open the Girl Scout Cookie Finder app from their feed. And as you can see from the picture on the right, Girl Scouts used eye-catching images of their most popular cookie flavors to stand out on Twitter's feed. This helped users to quickly grasp the meaning of the campaign and understand exactly what was being advertised. So as you can see, they would show like a little picture, and then you can just click install now and it'll take you directly to their app from Twitter. Currently, Girl Scouts have 84,264 Twitter followers. The main goal for the Twitter campaign was to increase their app installments, but also drive engagement of their app after the initial installment. In-app searches also increased because as current app users saw the campaign on Twitter, it reminded them that a cookie booth was just a click away. And then Kayla Stantala, the senior digital media strategist of Girl Scouts USA, said that Twitter offers a unique value proposition for them because our customers are active users and on their phones 24/7. Twitter's conversion reporting is also really clear. The interface was so easy to use. We set up the campaign less than a day after the idea came up. Overall, Twitter's a really sweet match for us. Which I'd have to agree, Twitter was a really good platform for them to use because with their retweet function, it allows them to have, they can retweet it and their people that are excited about the campaign can retweet it so it would stay on the top of Twitter's feed and be relevant. And because they had so many Twitter followers, it allowed them to reach a big audience, and it also allowed them to post their fun pictures on Twitter and make it so easy for people to just locate their app and download it and use it. By doing this campaign to drive cookie sales, they also increased their presence on social media. From their Twitter account, you can see all the wonderful things the Girl Scouts are doing. And I think that just increasing their traffic to their Twitter account from their cookie booth sales, it helped their initiative because just seeing the difference and involvement that the girls have in what they're doing will help drive people to want to buy cookies because it shows that like what the difference is that they're making by doing that. And in the picture, you can see that Girl Scout Natalie created welcome bags filled with toiletries and snacks for immigrant families that are being detained at the border. And a little bit about the app. The Girl Scout Cookie Finder app has a complete listing of when and where you can find their cookie booths. The app uses GPS capabilities to make it easy and convenient for cookie buyers to find the nearest location just via their phones. So as you can see, you can just enter in your location and it'll show you all the nearest cookie booths near you, so you can easily find it. And there's also a complete menu in the app so you can meet the cookies. It has information about all of them and just has fun pictures and has fun facts about all their cookies and how they got their names and just everything that's in them. And the app will also send you notifications about the cookie booths just to keep you updated, like if you're near one or when those cookies are on sale. So from this campaign, there was a total of 326,000 app installments in 2015, and over 19,500 installments were attributed just to Twitter alone. And the words cookie and Girl Scout were searched up between 30 and 65% on Twitter during this campaign, so you could see that see that a lot of people were interested in trying to get more information about it and looking it up on Twitter. And Girl Scout cookie fans were ecstatic about the new app. You can see people that replied to the original Girl Scouts original tweet when they said that we have an app for that. Find a Girl Scout cookie booth sale today, and people were replying to it saying bless in all caps, what in all caps, and oh my god, yes. So people are just so happy that it's so easy to find cookies now. And Twitter's business account actually tweeted that the Girl Scouts use Twitter to get their Cookie Finder app to hungry customers. So it's nice that Twitter themselves promoted and endorsed the Cookie Finder app campaign, which I'm sure really helped them. But a little improvement I would say for the campaign is that after the campaign, app search declined by 70%, which I'm sure having the app search decline by so much wasn't really surprising. And it was probably expected since Girl Scout cookies are only sold seasonally. So I think in order to keep interest in the app constant, Girl Scouts need to figure out how to keep their app users involved year-round by just maybe always reaching out to them and letting them know like before the season starts, or if they're going to be releasing new cookies, or like anything that they're doing just to keep people in the know and keep them reminded about Girl Scout cookies. Also, another thing the campaign lacked was using a hashtag, which could have promoted the campaign even more. Hashtags help link everything together and could have allowed followers to interact and tweet about the campaign. If they've had a fun hashtag, then people could have done that. And I just think it's important because all the tweets would be kept together so people could easily find out about the campaign just by searching that one hashtag to be in the know. And people like to interact and be able to tweet about stuff, so it just allowed them to do that and kept everything together. And some fun hashtags that the girls could have used might have included hashtag find your cookies, hashtag Girl Scouts near you, or even hashtag Girl Scout cookies would have worked and caught people's attention. But overall, I think the campaign was successful because it captured people's attention, app installments went up, Twitter searches went up, and sales increased. The overall awareness of Girl Scout cookies was already high, but the problem that the Girl Scouts were facing was that a lot of people didn't know where they could find the cookie booths and how, like, where they could buy them. So by doing the cookie booth search campaign, they solved just that. It solved the need in the most convenient way for people, because most of the days now people are always on their phones. So for the girls creating an app, it made it so easy for cookie lovers to find a booth just at the tip of their fingers. So it just made it really convenient for people to find it, and they really solved the biggest problem they were facing, that was keeping their cookie sales from being so high. And here are my references.